Yeah, baby. Once again, it's on, baby. Gerry Make Cash Team is the name, and helping people make money is the game, baby. Part 11, baby. Gerry Microwaves Workout, baby. Short, direct, and straight to the point. Check it out. This is what we had to do back in the days, baby. We used to have to hit them gates. When you used to hit them gates back in the days, baby, this is what we used to have to do. Yeah, baby. It wasn't perfect, baby, but I finished the job, baby. Once again, on to the next one, on to the next one, on to the next one, on to the next one. Gerry Make Cash Team is the name, and helping people make money is the game. And I'm out. Number 11 is done. On to number 12. Gerry's Microwave Workout. Check it out.